Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching Trish Kitchen and I am Trisha. Today I am going to share with you all Prawn Dopiaza recipe. Dopiaza means 2 onions. In this recipe, double amount of onion is required. I am using onion paste for gravy and onion square for extra flavors. Let's see the ingredient. Prawns cleaned and deveined. Onion and ginger garlic paste. Tomato paste. Turmeric powder. Cumin powder. Coriander powder. Salt, chili powder, sugar, garam masala, onion squares. Green chili, you can add more if you want spicy. Add salt and turmeric in the shrimp and allow them to sit for about 15 minutes. Heat mustard oil in a pan and fry the shrimps. Don't fry it too much, otherwise it will become hard. Take it out on a plate. In the same oil, fry the onion. Fry it till it becomes golden brown in color. Onions are done now. Take it out on a bowl and keep aside. Heat mustard oil in a pan. Add the onion, ginger, garlic paste. Fry it nicely. Once the oil starts to separate, add the tomato paste. All the masalas are nicely cooked now. Add all the dry masalas. Turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder. Don't add the garam masala now. Salt. Once oil starts to separate from the masala, add warm water. Once the water starts boiling, add the prawns or shrimps. Cook it for a few more minutes. The prawns are cooked now. Add the fried onions. Cook it for a few more minutes. Prawns are cooked now. It's ready to serve. Add garam masala. Serve prawn dopiaza with hot roti, rice, or it tastes good even with pulao. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.